Hello, my dear mummies and little babies. This is Almas ma'am from ABC class, all beautiful children. Today I will tell you, instead of using the word very, what other words you can use. Okay? So the first one is, when you say very angry, you can say furious. When you say very beautiful, you can use the word gorgeous. When you say very difficult, you can say arduous. If you say very funny, you can say hilarious. If you say very ugly, you can say hideous. When you say very quiet, you can say hushed. When you say very happy, you can say ecstatic. When you say very good, you can say excellent, that everybody knows. When you say very bad, you can say awful. When you say very poor, you can say destitute. And the last one is, when you say very excited, you can say thrilled. Okay? So mummies, I hope you are noting it down. Bye bye till then. Love you.